And here we are ready to close up the REC module. This is our mini USB line, which will be attached here with 90-degree connector, so externally because it gets a bit warm and needs to cool off. Here we have the calibration, input, reception and transmission. The selection for the narrow or medium filter on the intermediate frequency, basically at 72 MHz, is built in here. The preamplifier that we saw in the other videos, VU, so the preamplifier has been mounted here above the transmission mixer. Meanwhile, here we have the reception mixer, the D831, driven by the attenuated VFO to enter at -15 dBm. Here is the stop band. There's another filter to block FM. Here is a notch at 72 MHz, which is instead used in transmission to attenuate any residuals that are always present at the output of the mixer. All our nice band filters that you've seen are very effective. A vintage button panel impossible to find, bought in the 1980s. So we have 9 VHF bands, HF up to 30 MHz. And then the selector to choose HF 5144, 430, which are routed by a double layer of relays, so 2 relays for transmission, and underneath there are 2 relays for reception. All the filters you see here are 2-cell filters, high pass and low pass of the elliptical type, so I was able to make them very compact. Meanwhile, here we have a combiner that routes the HF signals, because here there's an output for a second HF receiver. The PTT is operated via USB port on the rear panel. One relay supplies and cuts off 12 volts to the receiving section, and the other relay supplies and cuts off the ground that operates the PTT control. So everything is ready to be installed in the rack.